wanted to take some time to answer questions that you guys had regarding this particular graphic, how I achieve this look of getting the players outside of these boxes. Two fundamentals principles here that are applied are clipping masks and object selection. So I just went ahead and copied my base layer here of the catcher into a new workspace here. So first thing I did was I had my shape. I just created this with the effects of the stroke, the color, and an outer glow, knowing that it was going to be on top of other stuff. Now this is the photo as I took it from the game. So the first thing I want to do is want to make sure this layer is selected, and you then want to go to your object selection tool. I start with the object selection, and then I always move to the quick selection, and you'll see it in the menu. So right now I just click on her, it automatically highlights it, makes my job easy. Select this, and there's some stuff here, but for this example, I'm just going to leave it as is. Select and mask. And you can see now, you can see the layer underneath it, the box. So for all intents and purposes, we're just going to leave this as is. This looks good. I'm going to hit OK. Now, I already did this with the previous project, so I'm just going to delete this because I have this selection already there. When you work with football or softball, specifically catchers, you're going to have to deal with their face masks. That's probably the pain point. That's the only thing that I really hate about this. So now selection, the quick selection part is done, where I have the player isolated, but now I do not have the background. If I do this, now the background is outside. So how do I get then that background within the shape underneath it? And for that, you want to use a clipping mask. And whatever image or thing on top you want to put inside, it's got to be the top layer. So I want to insert this photo inside that shape, create clipping mask. So now that image is within those confines. And what I love about using it this way is I want to move it around, or I want to move the photo around the clipping mask. I just selected this with a Command T. I can move her around in this image and she'll stay within that shape. I'm going to just exit out of there. So now I have the image within the clipping mask. Now I want her face and her body to come out, show the isolated player, and now she's outside of that. So for every player, about three layers, and there you go. That's how it was done. Hope that helps.